Okay. What's going on, everybody? It's Toxic World. This is my second video that I've made. I'm starting a new YouTube channel. My other one, I had deleted. I didn't even explain all of this in my first video, but yeah, my other YouTube channel I had deleted because I wasn't even taking it serious, really. It was really just boring. So I decided to make another one. This channel is called Toxic World because, well, I like the name Toxic, so I'm basically saying my world. And basically what that means is anything goes on this YouTube channel because really all my videos will come from other people. But I don't really have an audience yet, so first thing I'm trying to do is just help out people with like tutorial videos, whether if it's for something for the game. My next video coming out, but yeah, if it's either helping people for like tutorials with like a game or something, or just basic life stuff like this. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to clean your AirPod case. I know there's a lot of videos out here, but for any person, well, for anybody that stumbles on this video, then it should be a lot less more time wasting, because, bro, these people be over here making 14-minute videos on something that you can really do in like a minute and 30 seconds. But anyways, yeah, let's get to this video. So first things first, you want to check out your AirPods if they're not already out the case. My AirPods isn't really that dirty yet, but I forgot to clean them today because I just got up. I still got school and all of that. So first thing what you want to do is, most people be saying you need to use rubbing alcohol. Really, to be honest, you can really use any type of alcohol. You can use That's how you know I need to be in school, because I cannot spell this word, but yes, nigga. Any alcohol you see like this, any alcohol that's not rubbing alcohol, you can still use it. Any alcohol besides rubbing alcohol, you can use it. You can also use rubbing alcohol too. But yeah, next thing you want, get two cotton swabs, whatever y'all call them. Get two cotton swabs. You might as well just get two as well, because it'll work better if you were to clean the AirPods and then clean your ears at the same time. So first things first. Now what you might want to do, you might want to just stick the cotton swab like in a little hole or entering, and the alcohol, just stick it right here, and then just hold the alcohol button upside down. If you want to make your AirPods like really get the sound out, the best method is to first clean it out. Then when you do clean it out, you may want to have to, hold on, because I just got done brushing my teeth. I forgot to wash around my mouth or whatever. But yeah, first thing you want to do after you get done cleaning it, you want to put your mouth on this piece and then just suck on it. No, but just suck on it, bro. Like, you ain't even gotta do it that long. Now, sometimes your AirPods may need to be blowed on, more sucked on. Right, this stuff sounds so gay. But yeah, some AirPods, like my right AirPod, I can't really do it the same way I do with my left AirPod, so I have to like blow on it instead so the sound can come out. But it still sounds the same, it still works the same. So some AirPods you may need to, some AirPods you may need to blow on. So if you suck or blow on one first and the sound doesn't come out, then you may need to try to do whatever you did the opposite. So and then boom, now your AirPods should be way more louder. You can tell if it's louder by the little thing or whatever. Like if this sounds, it's a little ringtone it picks up when you connect your AirPods or whatever sounds like it sounds loud or whatever, then that's how you know that it worked. You know what I'm talking about when you do it. But yeah, that's all for this tutorial video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. I forgot to tell y'all. Well, yeah, clean your ears as well, because that's gonna give you the best results. What I mostly do is just run some water on one tip of cotton swab. Okay. So yeah, I would mostly run water on one side of the cotton swab and then do my ears from there. Then I would take the dry part of the cotton swab and then just now your AirPods should sound louder, your AirPods should be clean. And that's basically it.